Good day everyone. So this is my first day here in Sapporo, Japan. It is 2 degrees right now and sobrang lamig. Today I am going to Otaru, Sapporo. It is sa north part ng Sapporo. So magte-take ako ng train for 1 hour and then after that, update ko kayo. Bili muna ako ng pagkain dito sa Lawson. Gusto ko ng kape. We got coffee. Ano mas maliit? Pwede na to. For we are heading to station from Susukino station going to Sapporo station. Then Sapporo station we're gonna take to Otaru. Let's go. So I'm gonna buy a ticket going to. So we are here, Susukino. Now we're going to Sapporo Station, 210. Binigyan ako ng may reserve ticket ako sa JR, tapos binigyan ako ng Ocean View. Sabi niya maganda daw yun. Ang bait nila. Natuwa. Anyway, kakain muna ako. May kape ako dito, magkakape lang din ako. Tapos, ang bilis malobat ng cellphone ko kasi sobrang lamig. Pati na itong DJI ko. Hindi pa ako nakakarating na Otaru. Lobat na. So, magcha-charge muna ako. Andito na ako sa station, nasa platform 4 ako. And I'm waiting for the train. It is 1:30 yung departure nung train. So it's 1:20. So 10 minutes na lang. Pero nakalagay sa Google, it's delayed. Nang very light lang. Konti lang yung pagka-delayed. Pero hopefully,
The next stop is Soen. Please offer the priority seats to persons in need.
Or so I just arrived here at Otaru. This is one of the province. Hello. Now I'm going to Otaru Canal. Grand Canal, tawag ba? Ano ba yung mga pinagsa-search ko dito? Wait. Find this. Okay, we are going to... Yeah, Otaru Canal. Let's go. Guys, it's snowing. It's, I don't know what temperature, but I'm the happiest, to be honest. Oh my god. I don't know if you can see it, pero nag-snow. Okay.
Ganto.
Nag-snow pa din. Maghanap lang ako ng makakainan ko for lunch. So,
Init.
kausap ko yung kapatid ko. It's snowing. So, I'm heading somewhere on the other side. Na lumalakas na lumalakas yung snow. Oh my God. Alam niyo guys, hindi na ako nag-expect na maka-experience ng snow kasi nakalagay sa weather, hindi mag-snow ngayon for the next few days na magstay ako dito sa Sapporo. Pero for here, it's snowing. I'm so happy. I'm so happy, guys. I got my noodles. And then I have this. Of course, we have Fanta. Diba? So, kain muna tayo. Let's go. Lobat yung phone ko. Medyo napagod ako today, pero let's eat muna. Tapos na ako guys dito sa Otaru and I'm going back to Sapporo. I'm going to take the train. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me on my trip here in Otaru. I'll see you guys tomorrow.